In the 21st century, there is no shortage of ways to optimize earning while minimizing expenditure. There are many options available to online business owners. Work smarter, not harder, is the mantra of many successful entrepreneurs, and it has a very specific application to online businesses. Automate your workload. One of the best shortcuts to free up your time is to make use of automation tools. You can automate your social media posting and reputation monitoring, link building and analysis, meetings and appointments, marketing efforts, email lists, sales, and customer support. If you find yourself stressed out over the amount of work you have to do, consider that there is an automation tool available for it. Outsource. Every person has unique strengths and weaknesses. There are some things you are going to hate doing, and some things that you will enjoy. This means that you can hire people to do the things that they love to do, but you hate. Freelancers and outsourcing agencies are available and they can massively assist in reducing your workload. Hire a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a low-cost freelancer that completes all the jobs you need to get done, such as data entry, meeting scheduling, emails, and so on. You can hire them on an hourly basis to complete simple tasks. Finding the right one might take a while, but it can definitely turn out to be a shortcut to success in the long term. Collaborations and networking. Connecting with people in your field is a quick route to growing your business. You can promote each other's products and services. By leveraging the power of multiple platforms, you will be able to grow far faster compared to doing it alone. You can also network with people face-to-face. There is a growing number of digital nomad hubs across the globe, and you might find a group of them living near you. Schedule some downtime. Rest and relaxation are vital and are a necessity to ensure success. One of the reasons you are creating an online business is to enjoy the benefits that it has to offer, such as flexibility and enjoyment. So make sure you take at least one day a week where you don't do anything work-related. You can then come back to work on Monday morning completely refreshed and will see things from a clear perspective. Working too hard will not benefit you or your brand.